Welcome to Business Central video series. This is Czar Gabriel Dela Cruz from Vistas Cloud. A return order is a request made by a vendor to return a purchased item for various reasons. To create a purchase return order, select the Tell Me button, and search for Purchase Return Order and choose the Purchase Return Order list. On the Purchase Return Order page, select New. Add the vendor that needs to be issued a return order. Fill the vendor return order number. Then, in the action bar select Prepare. Choose Get Posted Line to reverse. Select the posted invoice you wish to reverse. Review the details then post.